Hello friends, so today we'll be discussing a problem that's a miscellaneous problem, and it was asked in, I guess, GATE. I'm not sure, but I guess it was in 2016, and it's just a very simple problem. Talks about the roots of an equation. Okay, that's not a quadratic equation or a polynomial, that's the general equation. And I encourage you to see the following website for many problems and for daily problems. The link is given in the description. Okay. So the problem is that find out the number of roots of equation x square minus cosine x equals to 0 in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So you have to find out how many zeros of these equations are there in this interval. Okay, so I recommend you to pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we can discuss the solution. Okay, so I hope you got the solution. So what I will do here, since see what is the problem, that like we have to find out the number of roots of this equation. So what we will going to do is we'll plot this and this, because see what is this? This is x square minus cosine x equals to 0. So this means x square equals to cosine x. So for what values of x in this interval, x square and cosine x are equal. What I will do, I'll just plot x square and cosine x to see how many solutions are there. Okay, and for so like how many times it will intersect the graph in this interval, that many solution will be there. Okay, so see, so this is my x and y axis. I have plotted y equals to x square. Okay, and I have plotted y equals to cosine x between minus pi by 2, and this is my pi by 2. Okay, and now how many times it is intersecting? So it is intersecting this two times. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, and therefore how many solutions will be there? So the number of solutions will be 2. Okay, and then what is the number of roots? That will be 2. So this is fairly a simple problem. So whenever you have something like fx minus gx equals to 0, so try to plot fx and gx and see how many intersections are there. So we'll meet again tomorrow for a problem in linear algebra. Then please share this and subscribe it. We will be live telecasting the solutions of linear algebra on tomorrow, 3 p.m. onward. I'll share the link soon. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.